Because whenever you begin to calculate that, you start seeing reasons. One, pride will enter you. Or walk away to make a element being there. Or walk highest. Because the cost of what was given. When you say now, just don't do it. No one don't care about. No one don't care about. When you see them, gentlemen, to give and not to come to call. When pride enter you, come around, this will feel like ourselves. And you're about to make mistakes. You won't even know when you begin to make mistakes. You won't even know. You just organize take it to him. You won't even know that you're not there. But on our you're meant to give and not to come the call. This is not a day to measure cost. This is not a time to start calculating what we have done, what we've given to this struggle. You and I are meant to remain resolute and never to capitulate. Adhering to call of duties. Very much important. I will still look into this to give and not to count the cost. But I want to tell you, there are some certain principles that guides IPOB. There are some certain principles that guide IPOB. This is IPOB Code of Conduct. This is IPOB Code of Conduct. Written by IPOB Directorate of Faith. Now, I want to tell you some certain things that guide this struggle. That maybe some of us, just the last page of IPOB Code of Conduct. Yeah, I say all forms of disobedience to order from above or insubordination to constituted authority will form a decent ground for instant dismissal.
Support Eastern Security Network for the protection of Biafra land from the northern jihadists and marauding Fulani herdsmen who are killing, raping, kidnapping, and destruction of farm produce. ESN, Protect Biafra Land. Support ESN on www.ipob.org.